Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp conversations more effectively. Today, we're going to explore how to delete sent group messages on the WhatsApp app using your PC with the latest updates. This feature is incredibly useful if you've sent a message by mistake or simply want to tidy up your group chats. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing it through the web version, the process is straightforward. Once you've logged in, navigate to the group conversation where you want to delete a message. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message you wish to remove. Now, let's focus on the deletion process. Right-click on the message you want to delete. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. You'll see two choices: Delete for me and Delete for everyone. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Delete for me. This option allows you to remove the message from your own view, which can be helpful if you want to declutter your chat without affecting others. However, if you want to delete the message for everyone in the group, you would select Delete for everyone. This feature is particularly useful if you've sent a message to the wrong group or if the message contains incorrect information. Remember, you can only delete messages for everyone within a certain time frame after sending them. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your WhatsApp group conversations and maintain clear communication among group members. Whether you're a group admin or just a participant, being able to control what messages are visible can be incredibly beneficial. So take control of your WhatsApp conversations today and make the most out of this powerful feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.